Okay, out here this morning doing a barrel test on a 1969 6 horsepower Restore number 163 from Melanie. She came out great, completely restored. I've been running her and she runs great. Let's give her a crank, see if she starts up. I mean, it doesn't, you have no kill switch, so you have to idle all the way down to kill it, and it runs so good it doesn't want to stop. Let's put the hood on it. See it run with the hood. All right, let's give her a start. Yes, sir. She's ready to put on the Missy boat out there on the point and take her out for a run. Wind is laid down good. Ought to be able to give her a good run this morning. Successful barrel test on number 163 6 horsepower Evinrude 1969. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.